Step 1. Find a high-paying software product to promote and get your affiliate link. Step 2. Let this powerful AI create a stunning and fully loaded slideshow presentation promoting your affiliate software in just minutes. Step 3. Paste your unique affiliate link into your new slideshow and upload the final presentation onto this website where it can get thousands of views like these examples right here and start earning you passive income. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make more than $25,000 of easy AI money, which is 5 minutes of work, by promoting high-paying software as an affiliate with the help of captivating AI-generated slideshow presentations and posting them on a site where thousands of people view these slideshows for free without you having to run any paid ads. Making money online can be difficult, especially if you don't have the right tools or know-how. And in today's age of AI automation, feeling like you're getting left behind without the right tools is a very real possibility without the proper guidance. That's why I wanted to share with you a simple strategy you can start implementing today to start earning over $25,000 with a simple AI strategy that only takes minutes to implement, but still pays you passively for months and years to come. The world is changing, and with the emergence of artificial intelligence, the way we make money online is drastically different as well. AI enables us to automate mundane tasks, identify patterns and trends, and accurately predict outcomes. This means that the opportunities to make money online have expanded beyond our wildest dreams. From automating trading strategies to leveraging machine learning algorithms, creating targeted marketing campaigns to the actual visual creatives designed for those campaigns, AI technology is transforming the way we do business in the digital world. Whether you're just starting out or you have a few years of digital entrepreneurship under your belt, in this video, we'll explore how this simple AI strategy can help you revolutionize the way you make money online and take your affiliate marketing business to a whole new level of success. The first thing we need to do is find a high-paying software product to promote as an affiliate using a site like partnerstack.com. PartnerStack is the clear-cut best place to search and advertise SaaS or software as a service affiliate partner programs. To begin, we should find a good software to promote and apply for it. If you head over to the marketplace, you'll find loads of software products that can fit the bill. Because these are digital businesses, there is absolutely no limit to the number of sales that could be made. These companies won't ever run out of stock for a certain product because they never carry any physical inventory to begin with. Rather, software products are usually cloud-based. Therefore, this isn't the same as if you were promoting a product that was selling on Amazon, where there is an inventory and a stock, where there is a limit to that stock, and thus, where there is a limit to the amount of money that you can make as an affiliate. This situation isn't the same at all. Again, when it comes to the sale of digital goods and services, there is no limit to the amount of money that one can make. And that's music to any wealth engineer's ears. Because these goods and services are based on software, the majority of the time they will be a little more expensive and will usually be utilized by business owners who most likely already have money to invest, along with a long-term budget for it in mind to help optimize their own productivity and sales. If you're promoting a good product with recurring commissions, then don't be surprised to see more of this type of audience become lifelong customers, especially if that product or service is genuinely helping them increase their sales. This means that you'll be earning your recurring commissions and making passive income for as long as the person you referred remains a customer. So since we're talking about artificial intelligence in this video, let's try to find an AI tool we can promote as an affiliate. In the marketplace, let's click trending, then use the search bar to run a search for AI, like so. Now we can see several options, but if I scroll down a bit, this one is the one that stands out the most since it seems to be one of the highest paying options, and it's called Turing. As we can see, right off the bat it says, earn up to $25,000 for every paying customer and $1,000 for referring them to a developer. Great, so let's click this to learn more about what Turing is, shall we? This brings up the page which gives us more details about this program, what it does, the commission structure, along with more important information. In the About section, we can clearly see it states that Turing is the world's largest talent cloud that enables iconic companies to spin up their engineering dream team by using AI to source, vet, and match with a more than 2 million person developer pool. Next, along with reward structure, we can see which type of customers are a good fit for Turing, as well as what kind of developer profile we should be referring this program to. And this is all valuable information we could use to help us craft our AI presentations. Next, the tool we're going to need to make this strategy work is Tome AI. Tome is basically an AI-powered presentation builder. If you're looking for a way to craft pitch decks, business proposals, or even school projects that make an impact and stand out from the crowd, Tome has got your back. What makes this tool truly unique is its integration of GPT-3 and DALL-E natively into the platform, so you can generate text and images for your presentations with ease. No more worrying about crafting something impressive from scratch. Let Tome take care of it all. Believe it or not, this app can actually create your entire presentation with text and images in a visually stunning story format, all within 1 minute. To prove to you just how impressive this is, I'm going to make a presentation for the affiliate product we just chose right before your eyes. All we have to do to start is click Get Tome for free, which will redirect us to the sign up page where you can easily sign up using your preferred method. Personally, I just always sign up with Google whenever I see option 2 because it's super convenient. Once logged in, click on the Create button on the top right-hand side, where you should now see this page pop up. Now all we have to do is provide Tome AI with some specific details about our affiliate product. For instance, let's tell it to create a presentation promoting Turing, the world's largest talent cloud that enables iconic companies to spin up their engineering dream team by using AI to source, vet, and match with more than 2 million developer pool. Then press enter and watch the AI generate a solid starting point for our presentation in less than 1 minute, complete with titles, a basic outline, and unique images. Keep in mind, all of this is customizable, so you could tweak this presentation however you want. Whether you want to update the text, change the images or color theme, and so on, Tome AI makes it super simple to customize this presentation to your liking. We can also record a narration to go along with our presentation by pressing this icon right here, or add even more elements by clicking the plus sign right here and choosing any of these options. Lastly, if you want to have the AI create more slides for you, you could just click the button on the stars icon right here on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, which should bring up the option for you to tell the AI to add an extra page about anything you want. This is where we could add any other additional information for the affiliate page we saw on PartnerStack, like so. So once the slideshow presentation is finished, we just have to add our affiliate link into the presentation, then save it and get it ready to post on the website that's going to get us thousands of views. Now, our next goal is to generate massive amounts of traffic to the slideshow we just created with Tome AI. The simplest, laziest way we found to achieve this was by using a site like slideshare.net. This website allows users to share presentations, many of which get thousands, sometimes even millions of views. All we need to do now is create a SlideShare account by clicking Sign Up on the homepage, signing up using either Google, Facebook, or with a separate email address. Once your account is ready, you can upload the slideshow presentation file created using Tome AI. When uploading, ensure that you select the appropriate category and enter an accurate description of the file. Also, don't forget to include tags, target audience, and setting the article to public. Lastly, publish the piece and voila! Now you will be able to distribute your slideshow to thousands, maybe even millions of people who may find it useful. Especially for people interested in finding solutions to the problems solved by the affiliate product we chose. For this example, by making it freely available, you are more likely to garner attention from people interested in the coding development niche. Remember, you simply need to provide a link inside this free slideshow and you're done. You don't have to worry about the website, sales page, product, or any of that. It's all taken care of for you. Along with your affiliate link, you can also add different web links by clicking the plus sign and choosing the link option. Here you could add any links you like, not just your affiliate link. So you could put a link tree or ManyChat link here to be able to collect contact information and follow up with your audience later on and increase overall conversions. SlideShare's inherent traffic means you don't have to work on building your own from the ground up, and it doesn't cost a cent to use. That makes it an easy platform for making some extra cash without putting in too much effort. Also, because Google trusts slideshare.net, your post has a higher chance of ranking on the first page of Google for the keywords you focus on, thus driving more targeted traffic to your post and earning you more affiliate commissions. Hopefully by now, you see how easy it is to rinse and repeat this method for one or multiple affiliate products. Finally, after you've built and tweaked a few of these presentations, and you feel like you have a firm grasp on this process, a bonus way to make money is to go to freelancing sites like Fiverr.com or Upwork, where you can get paid good money to use Tome AI to create professional slideshow presentations for other businesses as a freelancer. As you can see, if we search up business presentation on Fiverr, we see all of these options begin to pop up. Let's look at this top-rated seller. Check this out, this seller has over 500 reviews with some work done for big clients. Their most basic package starts at $50 for a maximum of 5 slides, so that's $10 per slide. So let's say each person who reviewed this gig only got the bare minimum package of $50 for 10 slides. If we multiply that by the number of reviews, which is 685, then that would give us a total of $34,250, minimum that this one gig has generated. And I just showed you how to easily create these slideshow presentations with just 5 minutes of work.